Hello everyone, it's your girl Exotica, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make some baked chicken. It's very easy, very simple to make, and very delicious. So stay tuned guys. Cheers! So here are all your ingredients that you're going to need to make your chicken. And I already have my chicken soaking here, a little water and lemon juice, cleaning it up. Okay, so the first thing you're going to be doing is mashing your garlic and getting like a little marinade together. For everyone, get one of these. It's well, we call it a Pilon. I think in English it's called a muddler. You can order one of these. I think I got this one on Amazon, and it's made by Imusa. It's probably backwards. So yeah, let's start getting our garlic mash. And I suggest you do this first before you like clean your chicken and everything. So this time it gives, this time. So it gives it time to infuse the olive oil and the vinegar, because you're gonna be putting all that in here. What do I have there? Got about 6 nice big cloves in there. I'm gonna just mash those up. Put this over to the side here. So yeah, just smash it up really good. Fall out a little bit. Alright, there we go. Get it nice and mashed. Look at that. Alright. Now I have some apple cider vinegar. You can use regular vinegar if you want, but I like the flavor of this one. Pour some of that in there. I like to pour the vinegar first. This way it helps me clean the little muddler stick. See? Just all the vinegar off. Okay. Today I'm using a tablespoon, so I'm pretty much just going to tell you to use a tablespoon of everything. So I would say about 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar in there. I have some olive oil. And about another 2 tablespoons, maybe a little more of the olive oil. Alright. Okay. Clean off my hand. Oh, I need a... There we go. Just take a little spoon here, mix it all together. Let me see if you can see that in there. So it's just a little mixture. So yeah, you're going to set this off to the side. So I already have some chicken that I cleaned up and took the fat off, took off any extra skin. I put that to the side. And today I'm using chicken breast and chicken thighs. Okay. You just want to take off as much fat as you can from these bad boys. And with my chicken breast, depending how thick they are, I cut them in half. So now you got 2 pieces out of 1. And my chicken thighs, see all that fat, a lot of fat in there. I mean, you don't want to take all of it off because it makes a nice little gravy when you're putting it in the oven. But you want to take enough off though. You don't want too much of that. Just put everything here in the sink. It's not too bad. Okay. Put this off to the side here. And always make sure you're washing your hands, okay? Keep my little soap here by the sink. So my suggestion, as you go using certain things, you just put them away. So I'll just move this over to the side. Okay, so I have my 1 packet of Sazon. That just says no salt. I don't like to use too much salt in my fruits. Very not good for you. one should be enough. I mean, it's up to you. If you want to add another one, you can. That's fine. I got my little tablespoon here. Now, my preference, I use this adobo here with the cumin. It's delicious, but they have other flavors, and you could use that. I just put 1 tablespoon of this because this tends to be a little salty. So just put 1 little tablespoon. Okay, next I have this here. This is my favorite. Love it, love it. Put about 2 tablespoons of this one. I guess I'd spread that baby all around there. Now again, it depends how much chicken you have. Right now I have 2 chicken breasts in here and I have 4 chicken thighs. Okay. Also I have poultry seasoning. You can use any brand you want. And this, I put about 1 tablespoon. You don't need too much. This gives a good flavor also. And my go-to for everything, and I just dropped it everywhere. Oregano. I love oregano. So we're gonna put, let's see this right now. 1 tablespoon should be enough. Okay. Put that over to the side there. And of course, what we're gonna do now is take our little mixture of apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and garlic, and pour that sucker in there. Let's see if I can have you guys see that. There you go. Pour everything in there. Nice fresh garlic. And if you don't have fresh garlic, you can always use garlic powder. And just olive oil and vinegar. Get my little spoon here because I don't want to. Usually I mix it with my hands, but I just did my nails and I'm not trying to mess them up. So yeah, I'll use spoon. So yeah, just make sure you get everything coated in there. Nice coating, let it marinate. Now you can do this either the night before, let it marinate overnight, or you can do it the same day. Just give it about half hour to an hour to marinate and get all the flavors in there. Okay, just keep working that. Make sure every piece of chicken gets a nice coating on it. The seasoning. Me, I like to mix dark meat with the white meat because I'm baking this chicken. So basically, when you bake with the white meat, it tends to get dry. So I like to mix the dark meat and the light meat, and it's delicious. Gives it a nice flavor, gets all the fat from the dark meat, and it keeps it nice and juicy. That's the main thing, keep it juicy. Nobody wants to eat dry chicken, okay? Alright, so yeah, got a little dirty. So here's the chicken. It's all marinated. So yeah, I'm gonna let it sit for about an hour, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. Okay, so I will be right back with that. Okay, it's been about an hour. The chicken is nice and marinated. I have my little tray here where I'm gonna lay my chicken out, put it in the oven. The oven is already preheated. I preheated to 425. And we are going to cook our chicken in the oven. It's going to take about maybe an hour, hour and a half-ish, because I like to get the skin crispy, so it needs to be perfect. Okay. First, I'm going to lay out the chicken breast, because I like those to be on the bottom, so it can soak up all the fats and juices from the chicken thighs. It doesn't get dry, because we do not want our chicken to get dry. Yeah, I got my little aluminum tray because I hate doing dishes. Oh my god. This is easy. You cook, fold it up, throw it out, done. Okay, here's my other one. Okay. So guys, with the chicken thighs, if you're going to be using them, when you first put them in, you want to put them skin down. Okay, so here's the skin part. You're going to lay it down flat. because what happens is in about a half hour while it's cooking, you're gonna flip it over basically. So when you flip it over again, you want the skin to be up. This way it will get nice and crispy. Alright, so remember, skin down, half hour, flip it, skin up. Okay, I'm just gonna move these around here. Okay, almost done, almost done. Right, these babies together. Alright, you want to take all this and throw that all in there too. Move this over here so you guys can see a little better. Oops, sorry. Make sure you get all that garlic, oregano, and all those flavors, and just mix them all around in there. Basically, there you go. You got your mixture. You got mostly the thighs, well, the thighs, excuse me, the chicken breasts on the bottom and the thighs on top. So yeah, now we're gonna put them in the oven. Be right back. Okay guys, so like I said, I preheated the oven to 425. I placed the chicken in there. Let me just push that sucker in. You don't have to cover it with aluminum foil. I know some people do, but it's not necessary. But yeah, now you let this bad boy cook for about an hour, hour and a half, and yeah, I will show you the progress in a few minutes. Okay, it's been a half hour, and I'm going to turn the chicken thighs to get that skin around. Nice and crispy. Chicken breasts are looking good. You know what? Maybe I'll flip over the chicken breast. Why not? Don't want to cover that chicken skin though. I love chicken skin. Nice and crispy. Okay, there you go. Be back in, I don't know, another half hour maybe? You can see how nice and crispy that chicken skin gets. Okay guys, so it's been altogether about an hour and 15-20 minutes, and this is the end result. Skin is nice and crispy. It is perfect. It's ready to eat. Enjoy. Okay guys, so we are done. Here's a nice little plate right there. We got some chicken. I made a little arroz con gandule, yellow rice and peas, and some corn. So yeah, definitely. There's all the ingredients. Everything will be linked in the description down. Just little description box down below. Yeah, try it. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments below in the comment box, and yeah, enjoy. So guys, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, and yeah, I will catch you on the next one. Bye.